2017. If you need to reach me, you can reach me at rick0327@me.com. All right, I'm referencing the video I did the other day on the Writ of Mandamus to Compel. Now, the people who have used my paperwork, if after they've done everything that I've told them to do, are in a perfect position to do this now, to file a writ of mandamus. But I'm going to do the video, a writ of prohibition. I'm probably going to do it tomorrow on or Friday, because you've exhausted everything. See, in order to do a writ of mandamus, they want you to exhaust everything, that you tried every remedy possible. So by using all of my paperwork, you sent out this, you sent out that. Also, you have evidence that there's no lien. Like I'm going to show you Andre, one of my subscribers, who's a beast. This guy here, all I got to do is point him in the right direction. And he's a bright guy already. All I got to do is point him in the right direction, and he gets shit done. This guy don't fuck around. Okay? I told him to do this, and he went and did it. All right? And they're looking to make a deal with him. Okay? All right. But again, by filing the paperwork, sending the paperwork to the clerk, and it coming back that there's no money judgment, is proof that you don't owe anything. Now, what if they've been taking the money, administrative offset? They're taking your, the child support collections people are taking your money, and they're calling it a lien, or they're calling this support a lien, and there's no proof of a money judgment recorded with the clerk's office. Well, they got a problem when you file a mandamus to compel, and in New York, it's called a Article 78. Okay, this is an email that they sent him. The file, the call. As we discussed, Broom Support Collection will be filing a motion to dismiss the Article 78 proceeding you brought, as you did not pursue your administrative remedy. But he's making a deal with him. Okay, let me tell you something. This is a typical lawyer ploy. Lawyers don't do anything for you out of the goodness of their heart. So what he's saying to Andre here is, well, you didn't exhaust all your administrative remedies, but you know what? We're going to make a deal with you anyway. And that's what he's doing here in his email. Okay? I don't want to give away too much because this is personal information here. So he gave me permission, but I don't want to give too much away. But look what they did. They sent him by email a stipulation discontinuing the action. They don't want him to bring an action in court. They don't want all this stuff to come out. Trust me. I already told them this in email. They don't, so this is proof right here. See? Article 78, which is the writ of mandamus, writ of prohibition, writ of certiorari in New York State. This is the article it's under. I did the video, I showed you guys, and every state has it. So this is a remedy, guys. But again, Andre was in a perfect position because he did everything. He used all of my paperwork. He was able to prove everything. He got them by the you-know-whats. So when he files this, he has all of this paperwork that he can file because he exhausted everything. Okay, he filed the notice, the demand to vacate. He sent paperwork to the clerk looking for an undertaking, looking for exemplified certificate. He could show that and they notice, this is what they're really scared of. There's no support order signed by a judge and signed by a clerk. That's what they're really afraid of. So they're looking to make a deal with him. And that's what this is. It's a stipulation of discontinuing action. So they're making a deal with him. He's getting money back, by the way. So I didn't want to put all his information, his personal information up there. But he's getting money back. That's the reason why they're making a deal. Okay, so this is a real quick video just to show you guys that this is what I've mentioned this in the past. A couple of months ago, I'm like, well, ultimately, after we exhaust all of our remedies, we're going to file this. We're going to file in the appellate court. In your state, now this is a Supreme Court. I keep calling it appellate court, but You bring it into the appellate court is a division of the Supreme Court. The appellate court is when you file a appeal on a decision. But if you bring in an action against an administrative body, you bring it in the Supreme Court in your state. Or just follow directions. They'll tell you where to file it. And that's what he did. See, Supreme Court, State of New York, County of Broome. And he's getting money back. Okay, because they were taking his insurance money because he had an employment insurance. That if he was to be out of work or whatever, he receives insurance payments, and they were seizing his payments without a lien. Okay, so listen, I'm just going to shut this down, and I'll talk to you guys later.